Van Mahotsav, a festival for planting trees. Van Mahotsav was to be held soon and everyone was getting ready for the celebrations. Chandan and his school friends were very excited. John, on this Van Mahotsav, we will clean the park near our school and plant trees around the park. Malika, my grandmother, comes here with her friends every day for a morning walk. If we clean up the park and plant trees, they will enjoy their walks much more and will have better air to breathe. Chandan, yes, let us invite our family members to for this celebration. चंदन और उसके दोस्त वन महोत्सव के लिए उत्साहित थे। उन्होंने तय किया कि वे पार्क को साफ करेंगे और पेड़ लगाएंगे। इससे लोगों को स्वच्छ वातावरण मिलेगा। उन्होंने अपने परिवार को भी इसमें शामिल करने का निर्णय लिया। Do you know, Van Mahotsav, also known as the Tree Planting Festival, is celebrated every year in India during the rainy season, from the 1st of July to the 7th of July. People plant trees to protect the environment and make the earth greener. Let us create a colorful poster to help Chandan and his friends invite people from their neighborhood to participate in the Van Mahotsav. Helping hands in the community, children were happy as their parents and other villagers joined in. Everyone wanted to make the celebration special. They gathered under the big banyan tree near the playground to plan out the festival. The parents decided to help too. Sheila, the park where we plan to hold the Van Mahotsav needs repairs. Samir, yes, the park has been part of our lives for years. I have some wood and nails at home. I can fix the benches in the park. Babita, I will repair the street light next to the park. Noor, I will bring some saplings from my plant nursery. Then, we will plant them along the boundary of the park. Babita, if we all work together, the park will be ready in no time. Van Mahotsav will be so much fun. Every villager came forward to contribute in some way or the other. 1. Identify the people who help in maintaining your locality. What are their occupations?
Many people help to keep our locality clean, safe, and nice to live in. Sanitation workers clean the roads and collect garbage. Electricians fix street lights and wires. Plumbers repair water pipes and drains. Police officers keep us safe and stop crimes. Gardeners look after the parks and plants. Security guards watch over buildings and keep us safe.
Though, look at the table below. List different kinds of work required for developing and maintaining the park. Also, mention the material, tools and skills required. An example is given here. Mason मतलब मिस्त्री mending walls using bricks and cement. इसका टूल है ट्राउल. Carpenter मतलब बढ़ई make and repair wooden furniture. Tools saw. Gardener मतलब माली take care of plants. इसका tool है watering can. Sweeper clean the park and road and tool is broom. Next, electrician install and repair electric wire. इसका tool है pliers.
आगे देखते हैं next page celebrating Van Mahotsav. इसमें क्या होता है? The children gathered in the park with their families to celebrate Van Mahotsav. Malika used a microphone to make announcements. Groups were formed for cleaning, planting saplings, watering, cooking, etc. Everyone worked together and helped each other. Now, the park looked beautiful with the newly planted saplings, clean paths and painted walls. Van Mahotsav मनाने के लिए सभी लोगों ने मिलकर काम किया और एप पार्क भी ब्यूटीफुल लग रहा था. Community bridge across a river. In Kankar, Chhattisgarh, the Chinar River often overflows in the rainy season. Movement of goods and vehicles becomes very difficult. Reaching schools and hospitals becomes a major challenge. During one such rainy season in 2024, the entire community came together and built a simple yet strong bridge in just 2 days using bamboo, stones, and other material. Now, students can reach their schools and villages can cross the river easily. Now discuss. First, it is important for communities to come together in times of need. What do you think about this statement? इसका आंसर होगा Yes, this is a very good and true statement. When something bad or difficult happens, like a big storm or someone getting sick, it's important for people in the community to help each other. Second, do people in your locality come together and support each other? Can you remember one such occasion? इसका आंसर है, in my family, we all work together when we prepare for a festival. My parents clean the house and decorate it with lights. My grandparents help by telling us stories and singing songs. It feels nice to do things together. चलो आगे पढ़ते हैं. Just as the people of the village came together to solve a problem, our schools and neighborhoods also rely on people working together as a team. मतलब, जब लोग मिलकर काम करते हैं, तो वे समस्याएं हल कर सकते हैं और समुदाय को मजबूत बना सकते हैं. Do you know, an ant colony is like a big community of ants where everyone has a special job just like in a human community. Some ants collect food, others take care of the babies and some protect their home. एंट कॉलोनी एक बड़े समुदाय की तरह होती है जहां हर चींटी का एक खास काम होता है, ठीक वैसे ही जैसे इंसानों का समाज में. Just like how people in a community work together to make life better for everyone. Bees also function as a community, with each member having specific roles, such as gathering food, protecting young ones and building hives. मधुमक्खियां भी एक समुदाय की तरह काम करती हैं, जहां हर सदस्य का एक खास रोल होता है, जैसे भोजन इकट्ठा करना, बच्चों की रक्षा करना और छत्ता बनाना. Sharing a meal after the tree plantation, Chandan and his friends ran towards the place where food was being cooked. Vegetables and cereals were brought by the people of the village. The meal was a community feast to celebrate everyone's hard work. Wow, in this picture you can see, everyone sat together to eat. Children handed out the banana leaves and the other volunteers served food. Everyone chatted in excitement. There were jokes and laughter along with delicious food. After the feast, the leaves were disposed of in a pit. सबने मिलकर हंसी खुशी भोजन किया और बाद में पत्तों को जिम्मेदारी से गड्ढे में फेंक दिया. Do you know, leaves buried in a pit becomes manure and it improves the soil quality. Think about your family or community. How do you work together to help each other while preparing for a festival or any other occasion? Do you know, Uruka, the first day of Magh Bihu on the 14th of January, is a time of joy, feast and togetherness in Assam. On this day, people come together to build a hut using bamboo and hay called Belaghar. The celebration ends with a big feast where they cook, eat and dance together. The Van Mahotsav celebration came to an end. Everyone was tired, yet they felt happy that they had worked together and made the park beautiful and inviting. The children decided to take care of the park from then on. Do you know, in Sikkim, when it is time to harvest the crops, people from the community come together to help each other. These people who are specialists in agriculture are called Khetala. Such practices help in harvesting crops easily and inculcate a sense of bond amongst people. Discuss करते हैं. First, what are some of the ways by which we can take care of nature and our neighborhood? List a few. इसका आंसर होगा, by planting trees, by keeping surroundings clean, by saving electricity and water. Second, how does helping others and working together make a community better? इसका आंसर, helping others and working together builds trust, strengthens relationships, making the community more supportive for everyone. Our school, our team. First, write the different role people play in your school: teachers, students, caretakers, bus drivers, etc. Sure, here's the table in plain text format. Different roles in school. Person, how do they help in the school? Teacher, a teacher helps students learn new things. School bus driver safely transports students to and from school. Caretaker keeps the school clean and takes care of maintenance. Principal manages the school and makes important decisions. Why is it important for everyone to work as a team in a school? Answer is because teamwork helps in achieving common goals, completing tasks efficiently, and creating a supportive environment. B. What is your role as a member of your school? Community. Answer is my role is to respect others, follow school rules, participate actively in learning, and help keep the school clean and friendly. As a student, मेरा role है कि हम सबकी respect crew school के rules follow crew. Group activity table. A. I am a place where people wait to catch a ride and not be late. Buses come and buses go to places high and low. Ans is bus stop. B. I keep letters far and near. With stamps and parcels. Waiting here. Write a note and drop it in. What am I? Can you guess? And win. Answer is post office. C. I am full of colors, lights, sounds of feet. A place where people shop and meet. Fruits, vegetables and other goods are found. What am I? Busy all around. Answer is market. D. I am a place where you run and play with swings and slides too. Enjoy your day. Laughter here is a common sound. What is my name? Have you found? Answer is playground. Thanks for watching.